Today, I'm going to show you how to log in into VPropTrader. First, open the VPropTrader app on your device, Android or iOS. If you don't have it installed, download it here from the Google Play Store under VPropTrader or the Apple App Store. Once the app is open, you should see a login or sign in button right here on the home screen. Tap that. This will take you to a login form right here. You can now log in through these means, as you can see, WhatsApp, email, or even using your phone number. On the login form, enter either of these, whatever you registered with, and your password. If the app supports social login, Google, etc., you might also see a sign in with Google option. After entering your credentials, tap Sign in. If your credentials are correct and your account is active, you'll be taken into your dashboard or the main interface where you can manage your trader account. If it's your first time, or if additional verification is required, the system might send you a code via email or prompt you for two-factor authentication, 2FA. Enter that if prompted to complete login. If you ever forget your password, click on this Forgot Password link on the login screen to reset it via email. If you have trouble logging in, errors, account locked, etc., contact VPropTrader, support, check their website or app, help divided by support section for assistance. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.